House sitting for the rich and famous, a glimpse into luxury living. Welcome to the exclusive realm of house sitting for the rich and famous, where opulence meets responsibility, and extraordinary homes become your temporary abode. Imagine staying in extravagant mansions, stylish penthouses, and lavish estates. These are just a few of the perks enjoyed by elite house sitters. Crafting an impeccable house sitting profile replete with glowing references and endorsements will set you on the path to success. Beyond the glamorous facade, being a house sitter for the rich and famous comes with significant responsibilities. Establishing connections with high-profile homeowners, property managers, and fellow house sitters can open doors to exclusive assignments. Competition in the elite house sitting sphere can be fierce, but with the right approach, you can stand out among the crowd. From indulging in sumptuous amenities to exploring exquisite locales, the experience is akin to living a high-end lifestyle without the exorbitant price tag. Respecting the privacy of esteemed homeowners is an unspoken rule in elite house sitting. Promptly responding to inquiries, maintaining clear communication, and adhering to agreed-upon terms will establish you as a reliable and esteemed house sitter. As you gain experience and expand your network, opportunities may arise for long-term positions or repeat assignments. Embrace this extraordinary